Happy Saturday morning. It's time for a coffee. So the lads are just up in Murray Motorsport grabbing some bits. Yeah, the spoiler looks much better now. It's actually straight this time, not falling off. I think I found a little bit of damage just here and then here. It split it a little bit here where the handle is, but it's actually pretty solid. Yeah, the car is nice and clean. I just gave it a wipe over. I didn't wash it. Looks like it's gonna rain in a while. Yeah, Mini is ready for a little spin. The lads just want to get some rolling shots, have a look at the car, have a look in the engine bay, obviously, because that's what they are, idiots with engines, and I'm an idiot with a silly engine in a Mini. So we just need to get some petrol in the Mini, and the lads are around in the apple green, so I may as well just meet them there. So yeah, let's go. Just out in the Mini, and my brakes are gone again because it's shit, and Aaron built it. Well, I built it, but Aaron built it. Just out with the Outlaw boys, doing a few videos. I know, carbon crush spoilers, and he's throwing it away. So we're out with the boys, we're going to get a few rollers of the Mini. They want to have a look at it, doing a few videos themselves for their channel. So make sure you fly over, subscribe to the boys channel. I'm going to put it in the description below. Give them some love. They're also up having a look at the 300 because obviously Jap scrap, we're all into Jap scrap. So this is Dotty, say hello. Alright, make sure you fly over, subscribe to his channel. What you gotta do, yeah. Give him some love. We got some Skyline love coming up there soon. Skyline love, Corolla love, Jap scrap love. Rust. That's rust, yeah. We love rust. Loads of rust. Nice t-shirt. I'm wearing mine. It's under there, but yeah. We got it, Outlaw. That's it. Only an Outlaw. That's it. Whoa. But yeah, look at that beautiful Polish spec. Sex spec, yeah. It's a cat, isn't it? Oh, the Polish spec. The Polish spec. And here, I wouldn't mind, right? Someone actually took that off, prepped it, painted it, and then done that shit to it. Took the time to make it look worse. That poor man had Parkinson's. He forgot what he was doing. The brush was open. He forgot what he was doing, I reckon. Johnny, is that line straight? Look at the ear. I love a red up cable, yeah. Oh! Here, that's live, don't touch it. Here, look, I found him missing nuts and bolts, look. I literally haven't done nothing. That's just 4 times when it's been open. What have you bought for it? He's bought loads of shit for it. Aaron bought loads of shit for it. Did you get coilovers? Bought coilovers, full bushing set for the car, but you need to take all this. Holy Lord. Aaron, just clean it. Oh, that kills my OCD-ness. Just want to play a game. It's called Find the Turbos. Deal. You can't even see them. Like, how they got them in there, I do not know. You can kind of see one from here. Like, you have to look through a hole down here to find a turbo, but yeah, there's... Yeah, they're buried. Yeah, it's unreal. The only way you can actually get to them is either taking the engine out or the bottom subframe and working on them underneath. He's got 2 extras. They're 55 brake each. The fact that one's loose. 55. No, she's really 65 loose. Yeah. That one's VVTI. Yeah. Yeah. This one is restricted. That one is free flowing. I'm actually scared now. Yeah. I actually don't. No, this is what you call the fear. I don't think we should touch the car. I think we're going to get AIDS or something off the car. But it's okay. You can only catch it once. Sorry. But yeah, like that's definitely restricting something, Aaron. That it's not even connected. What? It's literally, it's not connected. Look at it. It's just. I was like, oh, that's restrictive, but it's just bent and left there. That's cable tied. That's yeah. It's a dodgy breather. No, it's not even connected. Yeah. It's not a breather, is it? It's actually blanked. It's blanked, yeah. It's actually, there's a hose on it and it's blanked, so... Yeah, it's unnecessary. Yeah, yeah. I wonder was Stevie Wonder working on this? She's vacuum nice. But here, isn't she lovely? Oh, 1 second, do you know what that was? Here, it's part Lamborghini. Oh, look. I bet you. The headlights are Lamborghini. I bet you they were fucking cunt for dump valve, yeah. Or they were bypassing the turbos because they're shit. But here, the one thing, yeah, look at my turbo. Oh, you don't know. He's talking about what we were only talking about. Where's your turbo? Yeah, but I've two of them. Where are my turbos? But here, the one thing about the car is, right, it has clean quarter panels and there's no holes in the boot. That's why he bought it, because the lad, he was looking for one. I bought it because I wanted it. It didn't matter whether there was holes in it or not. You didn't even see it. He went to look at one and it was rotten. The boot was rotten, but this one's actually semi-clean. Bought it. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, just sent it. Just sent the deposit.
Yeah, that's alright. Yeah. Get me a whole trunk.
Oh, jeez. Bad ideas.
Yeah, that's.
Wait, a voice group.
Plastic welders.
Professional.
They don't work on a train ZX front bumper because they're not plastic.
It's rubber.
I don't know what
It's like it's like what dashes are made of. You know what? It's foamy vinyl stuff. Yeah. Aaron's a professional. He's not really. Yeah.
We're all professionals.
None of us are professionals.
Jack of all trades.
This is the Nissan. It's not bad.
It actually is. You know what? I feel a whole lot better about my R33. Because my R33, I can find my turbo. Because I have my turbo off.
I love the whole idea of the VQ and shit.
Yeah.
Right? They sound deadly. But why they had to cram it in like that? Look at all this space. Like look at all, like that's all air shit, and then that's intercooler shit.
Intercooler pipe draw.
You know what I mean? The space, like that's a Honda engine.
Yeah.
Like you'd stick a Vtec in there and have double Vtec. You know what I mean? Like they crammed like they crammed everything in. There's so much room. But it's just crammed in. Like you can't see the toe. You can see them from underneath. The what? Mint. That's what I'm saying.
That's the most Irish thing. Like you have to check the pockets.
Immaculate. That's why he bought it, because he went and seen one before, and
I can see through everywhere in the back part there. Oh, I actually could.
like it's first decent.
Like look at that. Like my Corolla, the E10 Corolla.
I've seen it. Yeah, gone. Yeah.
Rebuild the whole thing.
And look at this factory.
Gee, oh man.
Yeah. It's nice to see. Most of them are just resprayed.
Spray it and send it down to flush.
Yeah. I like that.
It's actually standard fucking.
Yeah, everything's
standard factory.
Like double top and bottom wishbone, and then like it's a nice setup.
It is, yeah.
But this has 4-wheel steering as well. That's the 300. There's a lot of work to do to it. Look at him.
I'm right away under.
Straight. The boys don't give a shit.
No, man.
Tiny, aren't they?
Yeah, little snail.
And I think they're both the same size, aren't they? I don't know. I think that
Are they actually same
you wouldn't get a bigger one in there. Definitely not.
Come on, you've only got that much fucking room. They'll have to do like a McCarthy job.
See, most of the stuff gets deleted though. They get rid of all this crap, and then they run the turbos up front, up here, because there's so much room for turbo action. It's not a bad car. Like it's clean. That's the one thing I like about it. The bodywork is mint, and underneath it, kind of rust free, other than all the arms and stuff. But yeah, I just opened the bleed nipple on the Mini. I will be getting new brakes for the car. It's getting servo assisted, 4 or 6 pots on the front. I need to hire this side as well because it's rubbing on my arch. Let's go. So that's it. The boys just headed off there now. Have the Mini back in the garden. Yeah, the brakes keep sticking. I have to open the bleed valve on it, and then they work perfect, so the car's rolling perfect, driving perfect. It's very odd, but the boys got some good footage on their GoPro. It's great fun, but in the wet, spinny a bit, has a good diff. But that's going to be it for now, guys. That was just a quick video, meeting up with the guys, having a good collab with them, having a chat about the Mini and the Fiat and the 300 builds coming soon on the channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give the video a like and comment, and head over to Dotty's page and his YouTube channel, Outlawcarz, and make sure you subscribe to that. They're idiots with engines. So appreciate you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget, be dedicated. Peace out. Subscribe to the channel, messers. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give the boys a like. Sound lads, we're going to be doing a few collaborations, maybe even a drift car build if you're interested. So head over, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.